Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Let me know first how are you all doing in my comments, okay? So today I'm going to share with you the Minimalistic Vitamin C ka review. So Minimalistic is a new launch brand in India. It's rocking its way towards skincare game. And I'm going to share with you exactly what I felt about the product, and I completely used it. And I'm going to share with you what exactly I feel about it. Before starting off, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, definitely hit the bell icon guys, and you can follow my makeup page, that is Priyank Makeup and Hair. I post my regular makeup stuffs there. You can keep you can keep an eye on my actual work over there, and I also have my own makeup account, that is Priyanka Almeida. You can check that account as well. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Nowadays India में बहुत ज़्यादा brands ने ऐसे सब चालू किया है. They are making products with all these ingredients, and that is the best part. And I really support it because I think that is the best thing that you can do for your consumers in India. Because so this is the minimalistic of vitamin C. This is how it looks. Now for me, I have used vitamin C के बहुत ज़्यादा products. I have used a lot of brands के vitamin C, and for me vitamin C works because it's antioxidants. It's going to do its job. I don't know what to say exactly. I don't have aged skin, so I don't have wrinkles. I don't have that much of pigmentation. I don't have sunspots. I just need to keep my skin going in a healthier way. So for me, niacinamide, vitamin C are such ingredients that is really good. So I'll talk about niacinamide, all these ingredients in later videos, but today it's all about vitamin C. For talking about this, it has vitamin C 10. That is the percent is less, and it also has Ag 1%. So what is Ag 1%? Is the hydration that you get basically from it. So vitamin C, when it is compound with just combined with a hydrating ingredient, it works much better in your skin. Okay, so vitamin C is basically ascorbic acid, and there are a lot of types of ascorbic acid, but this has one of the stable, that is ethyl ascorbic acid. Again, mostly ethyl का जो vitamin C रहता है हमेशा हर vitamin C में नहीं रहता, because it is one of the stable vitamin C that will not get bad. Most of the time what happens is when you get vitamin C तो बहुत फटक से वो yellow हो जाता है. That means you, even if you use it on your face, it's not going to do anything. Okay, so ethyl वाला जो vitamin C है, it gets rarely yellow. Again, you have to keep it out of sun obviously. Vitamin C is a very rich in antioxidants. It's full of nourishment. Vitamin C is very good for your skin overall, tropically, also internally, applying externally and also internally, having through your food and stuff. It's very good for your skin. One of the stable, it is non-irritating, and it is also used in a lot of cosmetic world now. In lot of skincare product only ethyl wala use karte, because that is one of the stable. It's very good for even sensitive skin. So that is one of the most trendiest vitamin C that has been used in the market nowadays. As it has 10%, मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा 20% के ऊपर vitamin C use किया है. So my skin is really used to 20% vitamin C. So that really gives me a lot of glow, and I can see a huge difference. So when I started using this serum, I almost used it for over a week, and then I think what happened was, by mistake it just dropped in my house, and the dropper just got broken. So so you have to be very careful with the bottle, because if it drops, the dropper will drop. This is not of plastic, this पूरा glass का है. As I said, right, 10% is something which is very less. If you're just beginning off with the vitamin C, for you this will be the best product to start off with, because it has 10% ascorbic acid. So it's very great. For me 20% works. So if Minimalistic is watching, I hope that you even launch vitamin C 20, as you have niacinamide ka 5% and 10%. So I will be really grateful if you also launch vitamin C ka 20%. That will be amazing for us consumers who use vitamin C on a regular basis. One of the key ingredient in the actual ingredient first में Centella. When just in the middle, the L'Oreal ka serum essence, when it got launched, it has Centella, and that product just got Baba boom in the whole market. And I also made a whole review on it, and it has Centella. Centella is a very calming ingredient. It is very hydrating and soothing on your skin. So it really gives a lot of glow and really works on your skincare issues. So it has Centella, ascorbic acid, and it also has Ag, which is very good emollient for your hydrating your skin and putting all the moisture locked back in your skin. So I think this is the whole package to get. Again, the price very affordable, 699 का है. Again, whenever there is sale, you will get it around for 6 or 539 or something. But I will not talk about the price that much, because it's very affordable category में 500-600 तक जो serums होते हैं, that is great. 30 ml का bottle है. Again, this is the whole packaging thing. Now the packaging has changed. Anyone, basically vitamin C कोई भी use कर सकता है who needs that kind of glow everyday kind of serum. तो serum, whenever you are getting into serums, what happens is the serum is a very lightweight kind of a product that really penetrates in your skin. That is the first product that you use in your skincare after your face wash, and then layer it off with your moisturizer. तो हम जब ऐसे steps करते हैं ना, you get a really good result in your skin. Even if you have no issues on your skin is like glass clean. but still you have some kind of issues that has been going on your skin, you don't know that, and slowly steadily you will see a lot of difference if you start using just serums in your skin. Whatever your skin concerns are, research accordingly, and you can use that kind of products on your skin. Vitamin C is very good for any kind of skin type, and basically whatever concerns you have, it is going to give you hydration, it's going to give glow on your skin, it is actually going to work on your pigmentation, sun damage, and this is very good as a sun protection also during morning. So the vitamin C up day and night, both time you can use. That is one of the best thing. That's the reason I love it. So you can morning you can use vitamin C, top it off with sunscreen, and that's the best sun protection you can ever have. The thing that I really wanted to put it out there is that it's fragrance free, it's paraben free, silicone free, SLS free, all the bad stuff that I really hate in my skincare, it's free of all those, and that is the best thing. It is now getting #1 in the skincare game in India, so that is the best thing. I have also got the oat moisturizer, which I'm going to talk about in my coming up videos. I'll make a whole review on it soon. But this for me is absolutely a thumbs up. I have used this completely, it's over. See, if you're starting off with vitamin C, this is amazing. If you have used vitamin C a lot, I think you're not going to see much difference, but it's going to definitely work on your skin. Okay, if you doesn't have much of issues on your skin, it will be very good as a hydrator, as a giving your skin glow on a daily basis. It's a very nice product. For me, this product gets 4 stars out of 5. I think 1 star I'm going to remove because of their packaging. It was kind of rip off of Ordinary, and also the fact that it's just 10%. I hope that they also get it into 20, but overall the product is good, not gonna lie, and my experience was overall good using this product, definitely. But I didn't see a huge difference because it's 10%, so for me 10% is kind of less. Otherwise it's nice. It definitely made my skin glow, really nourish, and also I can see the whole difference using it, but not like the way when I use vitamin C 20%. Okay, other than that, really good, thumbs up from me. I will definitely want to purchase if it's 20%. And yeah, out of your products now. And yeah, I hope that you like my video. Again, give me a thumbs up. The product link will be in the description. You can purchase it from Amazon, also from Nykaa, and yeah, also from their brand, okay, itself, their own site. And yeah, I hope that you like it, and you can follow me on my whole pages, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.